The year is 2025. Lamborghini, the Italian maestro of supercars, unveils its latest masterpiece, the Temerario. This isn't just another bull released into the ring. This one's a hybrid. Replacing the iconic Huracán, the Temerario signals Lamborghini's bold leap into the future of performance cars. It's a fusion of raw power, cutting-edge technology, and head-turning design, pushing the boundaries of what a supercar can be. Get ready to be captivated by the future of automotive excellence. The Temerario isn't just about brute force. It's a sophisticated blend of power and efficiency. Lamborghini understands the changing landscape of the automotive world. They've embraced hybrid technology to create a supercar that's as environmentally conscious as it is exhilarating to drive. This is a Lamborghini for a new generation, one that redefines performance and luxury while acknowledging the need for a greener future. The first glance at the Temerario is enough to make your heart race. The design language is classic Lamborghini, aggressive, angular, and undeniably Italian. However, there's a futuristic twist. The Temerario introduces a unique hexagonal design theme, visible in the air intakes, front grille, and rear diffuser. The low-slung profile, sharp character lines, and massive air intakes aren't just for show. They're functional elements sculpted by the wind. The Temerario's aerodynamics are optimized for high-speed stability and downforce, keeping it glued to the tarmac even at breakneck speeds. The Temerario is a hybrid, but not in the way you might think. This isn't about fuel economy. It's about amplifying the already impressive performance of a Lamborghini. Under the hood roars a naturally aspirated V8 engine, a symphony of Italian engineering. But the real magic happens when this gasoline-powered heart is paired with an electric motor. This hybrid system doesn't just add horsepower, it delivers it with electrifying immediacy. The electric motor eliminates any hint of turbo lag, providing instant torque and catapulting the Temerario from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mind-bending time. The sound? Imagine a raging bull crossed with a futuristic spaceship, a truly unique and exhilarating experience. Step inside the Temerario, and you're greeted by a cockpit that's as luxurious as it is technologically advanced. The interior is driver-focused, with every control and display ergonomically positioned. High-quality materials like Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber adorn the cabin, creating an ambiance of sporty opulence. The heart of the Temerario's technological prowess is the advanced infotainment system, controlled through a large touchscreen display. From navigation and entertainment to vehicle performance data and drive mode selection, everything is at your fingertips. The Temerario isn't just about speed and power. It's about enhancing the driving experience with cutting-edge technology.